What's going on? I'm Vick Almighty, and today we got the Black Cat Jordan 3s for a special project. The sneakers and the videos themselves take up so much of my time that I rarely ever have time to take on work for everybody else, but every now and then I have the opportunity to make somebody really happy. Now, these are some of my favorite projects because it allows me to connect with fans that watch my videos. This actually reminds me of the time I was able to connect with Zion and Jamal and bring their visions to life. Super heartwarming projects that really move. Now, on August 8th, 2025, it was our 15th anniversary. We call it Reshoevn8r Day. The day was massive. We had a bunch of giveaways. One of the grand prizes was a one-of-one custom. The giveaway winner was Will. I got to connect with him on a FaceTime call to brainstorm a little bit, to give him exactly what he wants, bring his vision to life.
What's up, William? How you doing, bro?
Good.
How's everything?
Doing good.
Cool, bro. Well, yeah, dude. Just want to say congratulations on winning our contest. I'm super excited to make a custom for you, man.
Okay, so I said I wanted to do the Lucky Short Jordan 3s, and I kind of want to base it off my bass guitar right here.
Nice.
So, like, these kind of colors.
Yeah.
So, I was thinking, like, oh, shoot, this is going to fall. So, like, the midsole, like, I want to take all the blue away on the Lucky Shorts and then kind of make the midsole like this.
Yeah.
Kinda like brown to black-ish.
But I definitely want to make this shoe look as clean as possible, like Nike and Jordan Brand made it specifically for you, wearable, or a cool display piece too that could be displayed next to your guitar.
That's good.
All right, man. I hope you're excited. I'm excited for it.
I'm hyped.
All right, dude. Sounds good, man. Yeah, not many people get this opportunity. I rarely ever do customs for anybody, you know?
Shout out to Will. He gave me some great ideas to work with. Now at this point, it's time to execute his vision. First things first is deconstruction. I'm gonna remove all the stuff we don't need and then grab a blade to start removing some parts off this shoe. Now I have some ideas for these custom tongues that we're gonna make, but first, the original one's gotta come off. I'm gonna use a seam ripper and a blade to carefully remove them without damaging the uppers. I'm gonna pack these up, send these to my boy Jordan. He's gonna come through and make these perfect. In the meantime, while Jordan's working on the tongues, we still have a lot of work to do on these shoes. First, I'm gonna tape off everything but the midsole. The midsole's gonna get a sick paint job, but first, we gotta do some prep work. Now for this paint job on the midsole, we are gonna be taking inspiration from Will's guitar. It has a beautiful black and brown finish. I'm gonna start off by laying down a black base coat. After that, we'll focus on the brown gradient. Paint job is fully complete. This came out super clean. From a distance, the midsole looks all black, but once you pick it up and see the shine on it, you can see the subtle gradient. When you move it around slightly, you can also see the wood grain all around. I also added a glossy finish. When you see it up close, it has a nice glossy finish that goes nicely with the patent leather. Now I also went ahead and painted the air. There was missing some brown on the upper, so very subtly, I added the same exact brown on the air on both sneakers. Now at this point, I gotta reinstall the tongues onto the shoes. Shout out to the homie Jordan Diab. He went ahead and made me some custom tongues. For this one, we added the Bucks logo, and on the opposite side, the Scorpio logo as well. Over here, we got the paw of a bobcat. On the back of this one, we got the banana tree. All requests from the giveaway winner. All 4 pieces tied together look great on the sneakers. Now we gotta go ahead and install this tongue onto the shoe. First things first, I added glue to both parts of the shoe. I'm gonna heat it up, bond them together. From there, we're gonna stitch it together with some black thread.
They toss coins, I toss time. They talk big, I cosign. I got a head start. You just got excuses, running up the scoreboard. You still trying to lace it. I got a head start. Hungry and I prove.
Now we gotta make sure these come out symmetrical, same exact height. We don't want one longer than the other. Tongues are in place, we'll come back to that in just a second. Next up is this guitar pick. This is from a pair of Air Max Concepts. This will be a nice detail on the Jordan 3s. Right now, the color is very off. I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down, even remove the branding. I'm gonna give it the exact same paint job as the midsole. It's gonna go nicely together. First, I'm gonna be using some 1500 grit sandpaper to sand it down and remove the branding.
Mapped out on the desk, big swings, miss some, still it all rings. They play small in small rings. I play long, that long win.
To start, I'm gonna lay down some white to cover up this blue, then some brown, then finish it off with some black shading. These customs are fully complete. They came out super clean and wearable. Now before I ship these out to Will, there's 2 things that are left. I'm gonna grab some mink oil and our horsehair brush and apply it onto the shoe. That's gonna give the patent leather a nice super shiny look and a nice even black look on the new buck. Then we'll wrap it up by applying the guitar pick.
Calendar pack, that's reps. Speak once, cut through, no text. Whole year.
Good to go. I'm gonna carefully box these up, overnight them to Will. Tomorrow, we're gonna get on a call with him and see what he thinks. What's up, dude?
What's up?
How you doing, bro?
Good.
Hope the wait was worth it too. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out.
Yes, sir. Oh man, got the Bobcat too.
Of course, man. Both symbols on the back as well. Little guitar pick for the little key on the chain on the side. Bucks on one, Bobcat, everything you wanted, bro. And then like a slight gradient on the midsole to represent your guitar. A little bit of brown with the Jumpman back tab. You know, subtle and clean, but I wanted these to look like if, you know, Nike and Jordan produced these for you. Something also that would be on the shelves that people would actually find them appealing as well, you know? So that's for you, man. 1 of 1.
Yeah, man, it was worth the wait. These are dope.
Yeah, dude, 2 things. You can either put them on display next to your guitar, you know, have them look as a display piece, a piece of art, or if you want to, you can throw them on feet and wear them wherever you want, you know. So you got both options. Well, dude, real quick, I want you to tell me why we went with the Milwaukee Bucks logo, the Bobcat logo, the Scorpio logo, and the banana tree logo on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we'll left. Milwaukee Bucks, my basketball team. I've been with them since they won the chip. People might call me a poser for that, but
I'm gonna call you a poser, bro. You freaking beat the Suns, man. But we made it to the finals, bro. 2 games away, man. I thought that was it, but
yeah,
whatever.
Yeah. And then Scorpio, born in October.
Scorpio.
So that's pretty.
We're both Scorpios, so I enjoy putting that one. We're both Scorpios.
Sweet. And then Bobcat, that's my high school mascot with the Madison Bobcats.
There we go. That's cool. That's cool.
Respect to that. And then back here, banana tree.
Yeah.
Before I was born, my aunt took my sister on a walk, and she's like, "What do you want to name your new brother?" And she said, "Banana Tree." So that's just kind of been my nickname.
That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. I was wondering for the longest time. I'm like, I'm gonna ask Will what this means because it's so random of a freaking thing to put on a shoe. But I'm glad you put there. That's a really cool detail that honestly I'm not gonna forget. So next time I ever see you, I'm gonna call you Banana Tree.
Yes, sir. Later, YouTube. This has been Will with the 15 years of fresh.
There we go, bro. There we go. I love that. Well, it was a pleasure working with you, man. I'll see you soon.
All right, see ya.
Later, bro.